Winter is coming and the last whiffs of fire and spices are floating in the air, spending hours to create the most tender ribs you have ever seen. But nothing makes my heart pound faster than this rusty old barbecue. The harsh winters can turn your trusty old grill into a pile of rust in no time. So to make sure I can grill my next honey-coated ribs before the birds start to shit on my car again, we need to get this grill apart and give it some much needed TLC. First, we need to remove 2 bolts so we can take the lid off. Next, I'm going to take everything out so we can fix the spark plugs. The gas burners are secured with 2 bolts each. Slide them out and now the screws of the spark plugs assembly are visible. As you can see, the insulation on the spark plugs on the right is gone and this shorts with the frame. The rusty lid is the biggest problem, so let's take out a temperature probe and remove all the screws so we can remove the side panels. This will make sanding so much easier. I start sanding with the 120 grit to get the most of the rust flakes off and go finer along the way. Now give it a final sand and clean the surface with a degreaser so the paint will stick to the surface. To prevent rust and also be heat resistant, I'm using the stove refinisher. That's good for 650 degrees Celsius, also called engine enamel. Make sure you use a well ventilated workspace. Or at least use a spray mask. Now, I'm going to be honest, the finish is not great. Even after multiple coats, there are lines across the whole surface. This can sprays all over the place, but hey, at least the rust is gone. Now to create fire you need a spark, so some insulating shrink wrap should do the trick. Now all this is done, we can rebuild everything in reversed order and enjoy a well-earned Belgian pint or two. Hey, would you like to see me make my own first drunk and noisy Belgian crafted beer? Let me know in the comment box below. Maybe I'll give it a try. if this video was helpful in any way, you can give me some love on the like button. Thank you so much for hanging with me, and I'll see you in the next one.